Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering off or disconnecting the AirPods Pro, then place them on a towel to prevent drops. Hold the stem between thumb and index finger and use the other hand to stabilize the housing. This prevents stress on the speaker mesh. Apply a firm, steady pull directly away from the nozzle. Don't yank or twist initially because ear tips attach with a bayonet seal. Once you feel slight resistance lessen, keep a straight line to reduce tearing or pushing debris into the driver. You should pinch the base of the silicone tip right where it meets the nozzle, reducing leverage on the seal. This is why you hold the stem with the other hand. Pull outward in one smooth motion. If it resists, pause and adjust your grip rather than increasing force, because twisting can deform the retention ring. After removal, inspect the nozzle and inside the tip for lint or earwax. Use a dry, soft brush to clear the mesh. Make sure the tip's retaining ring is intact before attempting to reattach. Finish by confirming the removed tip's ring is whole and the nozzle is clean. Then align the replacement tip and press until it clicks to ensure the bayonet seal engages. If a tip rips during removal, carefully extract remnants with a soft brush or toothpick and swap to a new tip. Do not leave fragments in the nozzle because they impair sound and seal. If you hear distortion or poor bass after reattaching, try a different tip size or repeat cleaning steps. That usually fixes fit and sound issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.